Which day is celebrated on 9th January? नॉन-रेसिडेंट इंडियन डे और प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस. NRI नॉन-रेसिडेंट इंडियन का फुल. Which day is celebrated on 12th January? नेशनल यूथ डे और बर्थडे ऑफ स्वामी विवेकानंद. स्वामी विवेकानंद के बर्थडे के दिन ही नेशनल यूथ डे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. Which day is celebrated on 15th January? आई थिंक इसका आंसर सबको पता होगा. नेशनल आर्मी डे. Which day is celebrated on 23rd January? नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस जयंती. Which day is celebrated on 25th January? नेशनल टूरिज्म डे और नेशनल वोटर्स डे. Which day is celebrated on 26th January? Republic Day of India. Which day is celebrated on 28th January? Birth anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai. Which day is celebrated on 30th January? National Martyrs Day. Which day is celebrated on 1st of February? Indian Coast Guard Day. Which day is celebrated on 4th February? World Cancer Day. Which day is celebrated on 6th February? International Day of Zero Tolerance for Female Genital Mutilation. Which day is celebrated on 11th February? International Day of Women and Girls in Science. Which day is celebrated on 15th February? International Childhood Cancer Day. Which day is celebrated on 20th February? World Day of Social Justice. Which day is celebrated on 27th February? वर्ल्ड एनजीओ डे. एनजीओ का फुल फॉर्म नॉन गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. विच डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 28th February? वर्ल्ड साइंस डे. विच डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 1st of March? जीरो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन डे और वर्ल्ड सिविल डिफेंस डे. ये दोनों डे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. Which day is celebrated on 3rd March? World Wildlife Day. Which day is celebrated on 4th March? National Security Day. Which day is celebrated on 8th March? International Women's Day. Which day is celebrated on 15th March? World Consumer Right Day. Which day is celebrated on 16th March? National Vaccination Day. Which day is celebrated on 20th March? National Sparrow Day. Which day is celebrated on 21st March? World Forestry Day and World Poetry Day. Which day is celebrated on 22nd March? World Water Day. Important है. Which day is celebrated on 24th March? World Tuberculosis Day, TB. बाकी बाकी मंथ्स के वीडियोस भी आ ही जाएंगे कुछ दिन में, क्योंकि इसमें ऐड नहीं किया मैंने, क्योंकि वीडियो बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है, इसलिए नेक्स्ट वीडियो बहुत ही जल्द आएगी। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको किस टॉपिक पे चाहिए हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं।